What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video here. We are on our way to go to my work, so we can go ahead and take a look at the damages on the M4. I've already ordered a ton of stuff that I know for sure needs to be replaced. I'm taking my little boy with me here so he can come along for the ride. Don't mind me, the car is super freaking dirty. I definitely do need to get it washed.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extra
What's going on, guys? I got all the parts all listed up here. Got a couple of the SPL tie rods and this box for the front. Shout out to Mashimaro for hooking it up. So we got the tie rods, got the front end links in here, and then this one we got our front strut rods. Super stoked. And then we got our endings there. We got everything all listed up here. Got some CSF charge coolers because the charge coolers on this one are just banged up. On this side, a couple things on here that I haven't showed you guys before was this rail right here completely like shifted over and damaged. So it's gonna get replaced. It's all just riveted, so it's not gonna be like too crazy. Got new air dam ducts for it. New headlights coming in. This is what the car looks like. This whole entire like strut is, as you can kind of see, it's right there just hanging out. This side's fine. It's got a little bit of QP damage. This side took majority of the impact here. As you can see, this wheel's completely There is a upper control arm bolt that goes to the subframe that literally ripped the subframe open. So you're gonna need to replace the rear subframe. Got new wheels, not really worried about it. This curtain airbag blew, so I got that one here as well. This side is fine from what I can tell, minus this wheel, you know, caliper and everything else seems intact, but I'm getting everything all replaced. I got the subframe in here, power steering rack, brand new Michelin 4S's ready to go on. Got a couple of like the wheel hub assemblies for the driver front that's completely, and the passenger front and passenger rear. Got the signature AutoWorks big brake kit packed up in here. Hopefully all of this should bring this baby back to life. The only thing obviously I can't put on the table is going to be just the subframe here and then the steering rack. I'll probably bring my wheels over tomorrow. Got a set of BBS LMRs, 3-piece that I had on my old F80 that I can put on here. I just got to make sure that it clears the caliper. Worst case scenario, I do have a set of 666s that I can just put on it. This is all the unboxing that we did today. Special thanks to Hopefully I can get some videos of everything being put together. Unfortunately, I can't work on my own car at work just because of liability reasons. Should be getting started on this hopefully on Tuesday, and then I can get you guys some videos of it being all put together. Thanks guys, catch you in the next one.